Hey money makers, this is a mini tutorial. I'm going to show you how you can create your own packaging for your digital stickers right here in Canva. This is the one I created, and we're going to do another one. So make sure you stay and watch the full tutorial so you'll know how to do it yourself. All right, you're going to start off with your packaging that you created. You have upscaled your images. You added your effect. If you don't know how to do this part, make sure you comment down below and I will share a link with you for a tutorial on that. So this is my new collection, Island Twin Spades. All right, and so let's get started. All right, so I'm going to head over to Elements. I'm going to get a shape, and it is a rectangle. I'm going to start to create the tab of my stickers. All right, now I got that all lined up. I make sure, and this is going to be the topper of my packaging. All right, you are welcome to change the color that vibes with your collection. I'm going to find a color that vibes with mine, and I'm going to go with this blue. All right, now that we have that, that's my topper. I'm going to go to the next part, and I'm actually going to go ahead and go back to I'm going to go back to Elements. I have found it is called a hang hole or a packaging hole. All right, that's the name of this element here. I'm changing the color on that again to make sure it matches the vibe of my digital sticker pack. Now that I placed that there, I'm going to go ahead and add some text. I like to add my collection name on my topper. You're welcome to do whatever you like, but that's what I'm going to do next. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me IG. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me IG. Follow me on TikTok. Can you be my honey? Can I call you darling? Can you be my honey? Can I call you darling? Can you be my... All right, I have my text. I'm going to change my font. I'm gonna go to advanced setting, make sure everything, the line spacing is how I like it. I'm gonna change the color, and I'm also gonna add an effect to this as well. So we'll take a look at it. I'm going to add a QR code to my package. This is a feature, a pro feature in Canva, and I like to do. So you simply go to QR codes, you add the link to your website, your link tree, your beacon, wherever you want to be on the QR code. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to generate, and my QR code is right there. Okay, so now I can place it anywhere on the package. I'm going to put it right on the topper. All right, you guys scan it and let me see if it works. Okay, I did not double check. So you scan it on your phone and let me know it goes supposed to go directly to my website. So make sure you check it, all right, before you actually put this on your website. Make sure the QR code works. So she go directly to my website. And this is things that we teach in AI Glow Up Academy. All right, we have a very structured learning environment where we help individuals who wants to win and they're a little confused about AI. So they learn how to work AI, create digital products, pick one path, whether it's coloring books, journals and planners, digital stickers, or apps. And then we work on that and we work on packaging and marketing so they can successfully dominate whatever path they choose. If you want to learn more about AI Glow Up Academy, make sure you comment down below AI and I will send you information about the academy. Now let's get back to finish it up. Now we are almost there. We got our QR code, our title, our logo. Now we're going to really bring this into a realistic mock-up, a realistic packaging, okay? All right, root to elements, and I got a transparent square shadow. All right, so this is going to bring it a depth and have it look like the 3D effect. So you're simply going to put that under your topper. Okay, you see that kind of black shadow. And they have all different shapes, but this one works for me. So you kind of bring it under the topper, and now you have that real fill effect. It looks very real, like a real packaging that you're building. So that's pretty cool. So you place that, arrange it, position it towards the back a bit, so it can really be in place well. Now that we finished this off, we're going to go back to elements for the last piece and we're going to look up plastic wrap. Now we're going to add a covering to the package to really bring the real effect out. And so they have many options. You choose the one that makes sense, that makes your packaging, your digital stickers look good. Now this one kind of is a lot going on. I can't really see my stickers clearly. So I'm going to find another one. Again, this is plastic wrap. It's called. It's in elements. And I'm going to find another one. Okay, that one's a little bit more better. I'm able to see my stickers a little bit more clearly. It's not cluttering up the whole effect. And so you simply place that